I've got with me the latest model of Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. It is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor and Nvidia RTX 3060 GPU. It comes with a 16GB DDR4 RAM configuration and you also get 512GB of SSD storage. These hardware specs should provide more than enough horsepower to play all modern gaming titles in 1080p resolution at high frame rates. Now the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H is a beast of a processor. It comes with 14 cores and 20 threads which deliver breathtaking performance and very good battery life. This is because this processor is using an advanced hybrid microarchitecture consisting of 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. The performance cores are capable of turbo boosting to 4.7 GHz, delivering top-of-the-line performance. Take a look at its impressive Cinebench single and multi-core benchmarks, which confirm that among gaming CPUs, Intel Core i7 12700H is one of the best silicon. Acer has paired this CPU with an Nvidia RTX 3060 mobile GPU. This is a solid 1080p gaming GPU rocking 3840 CUDA cores that are capable of running up to 1703 MHz boost clock frequency. Take a look at the FPS that I got while playing popular gaming titles in 1080p resolution in high setting. Even the most demanding games are able to run at 60 FPS or higher, resulting in a really good gaming playback. Added bonus is the included MUX switch that lets you disable the integrated graphics for even a better gaming performance. Now let's talk about the display. So this laptop has a 15.6-inch full HD screen that uses an LED backlit IPS panel. It supports 144Hz fast refresh rate and 4 millisecond response time for a lag-free gaming. This display pumps out 250 nits of brightness and 100% SRG color gamut, which is really good for gaming and also for video editing and other kinds of content creation. Regarding the keyboard, you get a 4-zone RGB keyboard. Its WASD and arrow keys are highlighted for easy visibility, which is really nice when you are gaming in a dark room. The onboard speakers deliver dual 2-watt sound with full support for the DTS surround sound. They sound really good, but I honestly prefer using headphones, so I'm not going to comment much about the audio quality of onboard speakers. Now regarding battery life, expect to get around 4 to 6 hours of day-to-day use. Acer does include a 280 watt power adapter which can quickly juice up this battery from 0 to 80% in under an hour. Moving on to the thermal performance, Acer Nitro's newly designed chassis utilizes a dual fan cooling system to keep this laptop cool. There is a dual intake mechanism that uses both the top and the bottom of the laptop to draw in cool air and exhaust all the heat through the 4 quad exhaust ports. Acer also includes a software utility called Nitro Sense that lets you customize the fan speed and lighting. These fans do a really good job keeping the laptop cool without getting overly loud. So overall, Acer Nitro 5 is a fantastic mid-tier gaming laptop that handles most of the 1080p AAA gaming titles without any issues.